Good morning,
Good
Gov.
morning.
Good morning to everybody. Gov, nagsimula na yata yung libreng sakay para sa ating mga kababayan kanina. So, paano po ito, Gov?
Right now, we have tasked the main office to, at first, kasi nga, medyo nag-break, di ba, nung Holy Week, so medyo, we were doing some studies kung ano yung gagawin, pero at least now, na pag-aralan ng late na there are like 12 locations kung saan pwede magpa-libreng sakay. So we offer this libreng sakay from Monday to actually Monday through Thursdays lang kasi supposed to be 4-day week, di ba? So yun yung and for the coming weeks, yun po ang gagawin.
Follow-up po, Gov. So, yung mga jeepney drivers or jeepney operators, ano po yung payment nila? So, after the service, ganun din po?
Meron na pong usapan ang link with them na magkakaroon yata sila ng parang subsweldo din para at least they can handle the trips. There are, I think, 3 trips in the morning and 3 trips at night. Not the whole day, no? So, 3 trips in the morning, 3 trips at night. Kasi yun naman ang importante, yung pasukan at uwian.
Thank you po.
Okay.